Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Before going to our study, let's open our study by reciting basmalah together. Let's pray.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, let's we check attendance. Where your name is called, please respond with present, ma'am. Yes? Okay. The first attendant is Sani Dianluki.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, before we start our lesson, I want to ask you something. Who likes to instant noodle?
I am Miss.
Great. So, if you want to make instant noodle, what do you do first?
Boil the water, Miss.
Yes. And what do you do after that? After that? Put in the noodle. Perfect. What you just said about the step to make instant noodle is what we call a procedure test. Now, let's do a short activity. This is not test. I just wanted to know what you already understand about this topic. It will help me teach you better. I give you some simple question. Please do it. Yang kamu bisa saja, right? Sorry, I give you one paper again. Now, I will explain about this topic. What do you know about the procedure text? Sis Indri, what do you know about the procedure text?
Procedure tag is method make or use something.
Thank you. Your answer, Sis Indri, is great. Okay, I will explain a procedure text again. Procedure text is a text yang isinya tuh menggambarkan bagaimana sesuatu dapat dibuat atau digunakan melalui serangkaian langkah-langkah. Biasanya, kalau kita ingin membuat sesuatu atau menggunakan sesuatu, biasanya kan ada teks prosedurnya itu di belakang kemasan itu loh. Misal contohnya kayak membuat mie instan, instan noodle, pasti kan otomatis step by stepnya ada di belakang kemasan. The next is the social function of procedure text is to tell or describe the reader how to do or make something. Yang mana memberitahukan kepada pembaca bagaimana cara menggunakan dan membuat produk ini. Procedure text itu jenisnya tuh ada dua. Yang satunya namanya receipt procedure text, and yang kedua tuh namanya manual procedure text. Kalau yang receipt procedure text itu biasanya menonjol ke how to make, cara membuat, how to make noodles, how to make french rice. Biasanya receipt procedure text itu bahan-bahan pembuatan makanan. Sedangkan kalau manual procedure text is use kayak how to use computer, how to use Word, Microsoft Word, and other. The next is language features. Language feature is a ciri kebahasa. When you make a procedure text, you must see language feature. Bahasa apa yang harus kita gunakan ketika kita membuat procedure text? The first is using action verb like cut, fold, twist, hold, slice. Using imperative sentence is kalimat instruksi atau kalimat perintah. Biasanya ada di langkah-langkah tuh kayak masukkan ini, masukkan itu. And the next is using simple present tense like do this, do that, and other. And the last language feature is sequence words. Sequence words itu kata penghubung like a first, second, third, next, and the extra. The next is generic structure. A procedure text always has the three main parts. The first is part goal or aim. Goal or aim is tell us what we want to make or do for something. For example, how to make noodle, how to make fried rice, and other. Biasanya itu terletak di atas terus judulnya. And the next is materials. Material is bahan apa yang kita akan gunakan untuk membuat atau menggunakan sesuatu. Seperti wortel, water, and other. And the last part is a method or step atau langkah-langkah yang harus instruksi atau langkah-langkah yang harus kita ikuti sebelum kita membuat atau melakukan sesuatu. Biasanya itu kayak the first is put your noodle in there and under. So, if you want to make a procedure text, you must harus memenuhi general structure of a procedure text. So, I give you some example. Please analyze together, right? Like the picture. How mana yang bagian goal or aims? Look at the example. Ayo kita analyze together. In the example, yang disebut goal or aims is how to make fried rice. And yang disebut material or ingredients, yang a place of rice and other. And the step itu yang namanya method, right? Yes. Oke, selanjutnya lihat yang bagian banana ice cream. Please analyze individual in the paper. After that, kumpulkan di depan meja saya ya. So, I will give you lembar kerja peserta didik. Before do it, I will you make a group. Setiap grup terdiri dari 3 atau 4 orang. Nah, setelah itu kerjakan LKPD ini sesuai instruksi dari persoalnya ya. After do it, please presentation with the group in front of the class. You must explain about the where is generic structure, you and where in the language features-nya, apakah dia itu memenuhi yang kita jelaskan tadi. Oke? Oke, kita akan mengulas materi yang tadi Miss jelaskan. What the meaning of a procedure text?
Make or use something.
Yeah, good job. And what are generic structure of a procedure text? What are the generic structure of a procedure text?
3 generic structure.
The first is,
Goal.
the second is,
Ingredient.
and the last is?
And the last is step.
Okay, good job. So, procedure text is use or make something, right? And then when you make a procedure text, you must generic structure of the procedure tag will be a procedure tag is bagus. Okay, next week I will assignment. Please write a procedure text about how to make a traditional food from Indonesian, right? Okay, let's end our study by reciting Hamdalah together. Let's pray.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay, thank you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.